What credit score do you actually need for PayPal credit? While there's no official minimum, online reports suggest most approvals go to people with scores of 650 or higher. But we've also seen people get approved with scores in the low 600s, while others with scores over 700 get denied. So what's really going on? It's because your 3-digit credit score is only one part of the story. PayPal's credit is issued by Synchrony Bank, and they look at your entire credit profile to decide if you're a reliable borrower. Let's break down exactly what they're scanning for when you hit Apply. Your approval odds depend on a mix of factors from your credit report, plus one big thing that isn't. First, payment history. This is the most important factor. A history of consistent, on-time payments on your other loans and credit cards is the best sign you'll handle new credit responsibly. Recent late payments are a major red flag. Second is your credit utilization. This is just how much of your available credit you're using. If your credit card balances are high compared to your limits, you look risky. A good rule of thumb is to keep your utilization below 30%. Third is the length of your credit history. A longer track record gives the bank more data to prove you're reliable. This is why younger people, or those new to credit, can sometimes struggle to get approved. Fourth is your number of recent inquiries. Applying for a lot of credit in a short time can be a warning sign that you might be in financial distress, and each application can temporarily dip your score. Finally, there's your stated income. Your income isn't part of your credit score, but it's crucial. The bank needs to see you have enough income to handle your existing debts, plus a new payment. By the way, you can check your credit score right now in just a few minutes. I've put a link in the description to a trusted credit monitoring service where you can get your full credit report and 𝐔𝐒𝐄 score. It's almost free, so go check it out. It's also important to know that PayPal has two main credit offerings. First, there's PayPal Credit, a digital credit line. Applying for this typically results in a hard inquiry on your credit report, which can cause your score to dip by a few points. Then there's the PayPal Cashback MasterCard, a physical card. For this card, PayPal often uses an initial soft inquiry, which doesn't impact your score if you're declined. If you are approved and accept the offer, a hard inquiry will then be placed on your report. So what about those surprising approvals for people with lower scores? This often happens when other parts of their application are very strong. For example, someone might have a lower score due to a short credit history, but they also have a high income, a perfect payment history, and very little debt. So, to wrap this up, what does this mean for you? While a credit score of 650 or higher gives you the best shot, your complete financial picture is what truly matters. Before you apply, do these two things. First, get a free copy of your credit report and check it for errors. Second, if your score is on the borderline, the single best thing you can do is pay down your existing credit card balances. This lowers your credit utilization and can give your score a quick, meaningful boost. Going into the application with your credit profile in the best possible shape is the key to getting that instant approval.